In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create match and move animations in Canva. Let's dive right in and explore this creative process together. First, we need to start by opening Canva, a versatile design tool that offers a wide array of options for creating stunning visuals. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, look for the video section. Click on this option and you'll see an array of template sizes to choose from. Select the one that best fits your project needs, whether it's for a video presentation, social media, or something else entirely. It's crucial to select the right dimensions to ensure your animation looks its best across all platforms. With your template ready, it's time to add some color. A great way to begin is by changing the background color. This sets the tone for your design and can dramatically impact the audience's perception. To do this, look for the color icon typically found along the top toolbar. Clicking it will present you with a color palette. Choose your preferred background color. Feel free to experiment until you find a hue that complements your design vision. Now, let's bring in some elements to animate. On Canva, this means heading to the Elements tab on the sidebar. You can either type in keywords to search for specific elements or upload your own images to create a unique look. Once you've found or uploaded your desired elements, select them and insert them into your design canvas. Next, let's add a bit more complexity. You can add more pages to your project by clicking the Add Page button. This is particularly useful for multi-scene animations. Add another element to your new page and position it as you'd like. This could be a text box, image, or graphic, whatever suits your creative concept. Once you have your pages and elements in place, consider the alignment and positioning. Carefully resizing and repositioning images can enhance the fluidity of your animation. With these adjustments, your elements will appear more cohesive as they transition from one page to the next. Now it's time to add some transitions. Click on the Add Transition button located between your pages. Here, we'll use the Match and Move transition. This advanced feature enables a smooth, seamless shift between elements across pages, creating an engaging visual effect. Repeat this process between all your pages to maintain consistency throughout the animation. Finally, press the play button to preview your work. Watching the animation in action allows you to see how each element transitions and flows within the design. This step is vital for ensuring the overall animation meets your expectations and is visually striking. And that's it. You've just created a match and move animation in Canva. By following these steps, you can enhance your design projects with captivating animations that effectively engage and communicate with your audience. Happy designing!